Good afternoon, Anurag and Santosh. Good afternoon, students. Join fast, all of you. Yes, only 13 students. What about others? So, have you all read the lesson at home? लेसन रीड किया है आप लोगों ने? Because yesterday only we finished our chapter, so I told you that you have to go to the lesson. Okay, so have you all? Yes, ma'am. Okay. Yes, join fast, all of you. So today just once we will revise all the topic in short, then afterwards I am going to ask you questions, okay? MCQ and fill in the blanks only I will ask. Let's see how many of you are able to give the answer. So everybody will write their own answer. ये नहीं है कि एक ने जो लिखा है वही आप लिख दोगे, सभी अपना अपना आंसर लिखोगे, ठीक है? चीटिंग कोई नहीं करेगा, एक लिखा वही, कभी कभी गलत भी हो जाता है ना? So ऐसे नहीं करना, ओके? So quickly we will revise all the topic. So first that is our lithosphere, है ना? So that Earth जो है only planet that is support the land, okay? So the land, water, only planet because here land, water and air, all these three domains it is present. So land means lithosphere, water means hydrosphere and air means atmosphere, and the last one that is biosphere. Biosphere means a narrow zone, we can say, where we find that land, water and air present and the life is possible. Okay, so then we can see the lithosphere. Lithosphere means what? That is the, we can say, all the continents. And topmost, lithos means we know that lithos, it is a Greek word. Lithos means rock. Okay, lithos means rock. And lithosphere is the hard, solid outer layer of the earth, and it comprises of rocks and सॉइल, है ना? रॉक और सॉइल से जो है जो चीज वही लिथोस्फेयर, टॉप लेयर ऑफ द अर्थ वी कैन से एज अ. So there we can learn about the different continents. How many continents are there? 7 continents. So if we will see the size according to size, then the Asia is the largest continent, then Africa, then North America, South America, then Europe, Antarctica and Australia. Okay, this is the sequence wise if we will say. So Asia and Europe, this both the continents is separated by through the Ural mountain. एक mountain range ने ये दोनों continents को जो है वो separate करके रखा है, ठीक है? Tropic of Cancer it passes through that Asia. एशिया से क्या पास, कौन सा लैटिट्यूड पास किया है? ट्रॉपिक ऑफ कैंसर. सो दिस आर द थ्री मेन पॉइंट्स वी कैन से दैट. देन उरल माउंटेन तो ये मैंने बता दिया. Then it is surrounded by 3 oceans, namely that is Pacific Ocean in the east, Arctic Ocean in the north, and Indian Ocean in the south. These are the three oceans it is present. Okay, then we can say the next one is that is if from textbooks we are that. So Europe, and it is a very smaller, much smaller continent, and smaller means because Europe and Asia, this is combined with that, joined with that Ural Mountains. That's why it is the Eurasia. It is known as Eurasia. So as compared to, we can say Asia से तो Europe small है. Anyhow, it is the smallest continent. Sorry, not smallest continent. Australia is the smallest continent. As compared to Asia, it is the smallest. Then the continent lies in the west of Asia and Arctic Circle passes through it. It is bounded by water bodies on three sides. Okay? Moment. Then Africa. So Africa is the second largest continent. We know that Africa is the second largest continent. Okay, and that equator of 0 degree latitude, we can say, run through the middle of the this Africa. And Africa is just the one continent where all the three latitude it is present. Okay, Tropic of Cancer, equator, and then this one, Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. Then the next one, if and that largest, if we will say the largest desert and the Sahara Desert, it is present there. Okay, then the longest, we can say longest river also flowing from that Africa. Okay, flows through the Africa. Then the next one is, we can say North America, that is the third largest continent. Asia first, second Africa, and then North America is the third largest continent. Okay, so that third largest continent, and it is linked to the South America by very narrow strip of land that is called as the Isthmus of Panama. दोनों नॉर्थ एंड साउथ अमेरिका को किसने ज्वाइन करके रखा? एक नैरो स्ट्रिप ऑफ लैंड मास. Okay, narrow strip of land mass, and that is known as the Isthmus of Panama. Okay, when the continent lies completely in the northern and western hemisphere. नॉर्थ अमेरिका जो है ये कंप्लीटली हम बोल सकते हैं कि नॉर्दर्न एंड वेस्टर्न हेमिस्फीयर में वो प्रेजेंट है. ठीक है. And as usual, the three oceans surrounding the North America are the Arctic Ocean in the north, Pacific Ocean in the west, and Atlantic Ocean in the east. And one river, that is Mississippi. Mississippi जो river है, that is present in the North America. Okay, and one grassland is also present there, that is known as the prairies. This grassland is longest grassland is also present in the North America, that is known as the prairies. Okay, then the next one is the South America. So South America is the fourth, we can say largest continent. थर्ड जैसे नॉर्थ हो गया तो फोर्थ क्या आ जाएगा आपका? साउथ अमेरिका आ जाएगा. ओके. Then South America lies mostly in the southern hemisphere. Okay, and the Andes, that is the world longest mountain range, जो है it started from northern hemisphere, मतलब नॉर्थ से वो साउथ की तरफ जो है वो पास होता है. फोर्थ लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट, यस, फोर्थ लार्जेस्ट कॉन्टिनेंट, and it largest mountain range is also, that is Andes, largest mountain range is also present in the South America. This mountain range starts from northern hemisphere and it goes up to southern hemisphere. Okay. Okay. So South America has the world largest river. Which river is present there? Largest river, Which river is present? In the South America, which river is present? South America, which river is present? Nile. No. Yes, Elias. Good. Yes. Santosh. Good. Nile River, it is flowing from this one, Africa, and the longest river है. And Amazon River is the largest river. एक longest है जो अफ्रीका से flow होता है through Africa, and another one is the largest. Don't get confused. One is longest, Nile River is the longest river, and Amazon is the largest river. ठीक है? जो कि साउथ अमेरिका से flow करता है. Okay? Then Australia, we can say Australia. Then Australia is the smallest continent. We can say smallest continent. Yes, and this continent is also known as a island continent. क्यों? क्योंकि ऑस्ट्रेलिया को जो है चारों तरफ से जो है वाटर बॉडी ने सराउंड करके रखा है. ठीक है? That's why it's known as a island continent. Okay. So Australia is the smallest continent that lies entirely in the southern hemisphere, and of course, yes, Australia as a continent जो entirely जो है वो southern hemisphere में present है. Okay. Yes, all sides water. Yes, it is surrounded on all sides by oceans and seas. It is also called as an island continent. Okay. And then it is present in the southern hemisphere. So Tropic of Capricorn passes through this continent. Okay, because कौन से हेमिस्फीयर में है? It is in the southern hemisphere. So Tropic of Capricorn, it passes through this continent. Okay. Then it is surrounded by Indian Ocean in the north. Indian Ocean जो है north, फिर west और south से सराउंड करके, एंड स्पेसिफिक ओशन जो है वो ईस्ट से सराउंड. सो लाइक दिस ऑल साइड. ओके. Then the next last one is the Antarctica, and Antarctica lies completely in the southern hemisphere near the south pole. We can say in the middle of the or near the south pole. Okay, southern hemisphere, and is a huge continent. वो भी जो है एरिया वाइज जो है वो एक ह्यूज कॉन्टिनेंट है. बट द साउथ पोल लाइज ऑलमोस्ट एट द सेंटर ऑफ दिस कॉन्टिनेंट. मीन साउथ पोल जो है वो उनके सेंटर, मतलब पूरे चारों तरफ से जो है कौन सा है, दिस एंटार्क्टिका, दिस कॉन्टिनेंट इज प्रेजेंट. ओके. Then it is permanently covered with the thick ice sheet, and it is called as a white continent. जैसे ऑस्ट्रेलिया को आइलैंड कॉन्टिनेंट बोला जाता है, उसी तरह से एंटार्क्टिका जो है वो कंप्लीटली जो है आइस शीट से, वो हमेशा आइस शीट से भरा हुआ रहता है, एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट्स नोन एज अ व्हाइट कॉन्टिनेंट. इसको व्हाइट कॉन्टिनेंट भी बोला जाता है. ओके. एंड देयर आर नो परमानेंट ह्यूमन सेटलमेंट्स. Permanently no one is, but sometimes people are going. So why? Because radio stations are there. We can say research centers. Okay, research stations are there. So two research India के भी वैसे every countries they have their research centers. Similarly, India has two research center there. One is the Gangotri and another one is the Maitri. These are the two research center. Okay. So hydrosphere, very small. This is the oceans. Hydrosphere means water bodies, and you know very well कि Earth जो है more than 71% that Earth is covered with water, but 97 out of that 97% it is the ocean water, and only 0.03% is only the fresh water, so that the human, all the living beings can use that one. Okay. So, and there are 5 oceans, that is the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, okay, Southern Ocean, and the last one is the Arctic Ocean. Okay. And Then atmosphere, yesterday only, all the oceans you know very well. Pacific is the largest ocean, then the Atlantic Ocean, and Atlantic Ocean is their natural harbor is present. Okay, that because their coastline is indented means zigzag rock, that is no need to construct a harbor, already natural harbor is present there. So that's why this ocean is known as the busiest ocean, है ना. यहाँ पर जो है from the point of view we can say like a commerce, the traders are coming every time, the traders are coming going. So that's why this ocean, this Atlantic Ocean is the busiest ocean. Okay. Buffering, yes, today's network issue is there. I know today network issue is there. Okay, so if it is audible, then I will continue. If it is not audible, then I will stop here. So half of the students, I can see that they're continuously buffering and all this thing. Okay, so I think I shall ask 2-3 questions because time is also going. So next, then the atmosphere is there. Yesterday only we completed atmosphere. This is we can say atmosphere means earth को जो चारों तरफ से जो layers of gases surround करके रहता है. We can say air partials, that is atmosphere. That is only known as the atmosphere. There are 5 different layers are there. That is the tropo, strato, meso, thermo, and exosphere. Okay, and depending on these layers are divided depending on their composition, temperature, and properties. All these layers have a different composition, temperature, and properties. Okay. So when you will go in 7th standard, you will learn about this. Then the most atmosphere is composed of mainly 2 gases, that is the nitrogen and oxygen. Nitrogen 78% and oxygen 21%. So total 99% and 1% only there that the other gases are present there. Okay. So this only I already and this some ozone layer, it is protecting us. That sun के जो harmful ultraviolet rays जो आते हैं वो हमको कौन protect करके रखते हैं, ozone layer हमको protect. Then all that also I told that the air is always moving, wind is moving from high pressure to low pressure. एयर, ये हमेशा याद रखना कि एयर जो है वो मूव करती है हाई प्रेशर से लो प्रेशर की तरफ. क्यों? क्योंकि हम ये भी देखे हैं ना कि yesterday I explained कि the density of the atmosphere varies, means as we go up the density जो है वो कम होते जाता है. क्यों? क्योंकि जितना डेंस सी लेवल में होगा, जैसे जैसे वो ऊपर हम चढ़ते जाएंगे तो एयर का जो डेंसिटी होता है वो कम होता है, ऑक्सीजन लेवल जो है वो कम होता है. सो दैट्स व्हाई ऑलवेज वी आर दोज हु आर गोइंग इन दैट माउंटेनियर्स वी कैन से ट्रैकिंग के लिए, तो वो क्या करते हैं, कैरी करके लेके जाते हैं ऑक्सीजन सिलेंडर. सो एयर प्रेशर जो है वो मूव करती है लो प्रेशर टू high pressure. Air moves from high pressure to low pressure. Okay, and the last one is the biosphere, that is known as a narrow zone of we can say a contact between the land, water, and air. So by all the 3 things is very important for all the living beings, including human beings also. We are depending on each other, है ना. एक कोई भी चीज नहीं रहेगा तो life is not possible. So all that 3 thing is important. So that is only that narrow zone where all the 3 things is present, that is only known as a biosphere. Okay. So here we finish this our chapter. So now I am going to ask you questions. Okay. मैं अभी questions पूछूंगी, answers you can write. Okay, chat box I will see. Listen and give the answer. Okay. Which gas is responsible for global warming? Which gas is responsible for global warming? Your option is oxygen, carbon dioxide, Nitrogen, none of this. Your option is oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, none of this. Okay, Alice is given, then Anurag, then Janvi, Ishan, Shreyash, Adamya, Ankit, Ila, Narayan 1. So your answer is wrong, Narayan. So correct answer is carbon dioxide. The correct answer is carbon dioxide. Okay? Clear? ग्लोबल वार्मिंग जो है वो क्यों हो रहा है? Responsible carbon dioxide. That's why we should protect our environment. Deforestation नहीं करना चाहिए. Pollution को control करना है. ठीक है, ये सारा रीजन है ग्लोबल वार्मिंग का. ओके, सो नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज, ओके, वेयर इज मोर देन 97% of water found on the earth? Where is more than 97% of water found on the earth? Yes, without option, somebody, Shardul has given 4, then Alice, then Bhavya, Ishan, Daksham, specific, Anurag, that's an ocean name. Yes, so correct answer is, very good. Correct answer is ocean. Correct answer is ocean. Very good. Now the next question is, the earth surrounded by a layer of gases is called, the earth surrounded by a layer of gases is called dash. Is called dash. Very good. Good. Alice, Bhavya, Anurag, Ishan, Santosh. I am in Shardul. You have not taken my name. Okay, beta. It's not everybody. I said na, everybody has given the answer. कभी कभी मिस हो जाता है नाम ना, क्योंकि कंटिन्यूअसली वो अप हो जाता है. Okay, Taksham. You have also given the answer. Good. Okay, very good. Yes, correct. Answer is correct. Okay. So now I want to ask you fill in the blanks. Okay. So fill in the blanks. Yes. So the deepest point, fill in the blanks. Okay. Here no option. I will not give you any option. Okay. 2 minutes left. 2-3 questions I will ask. The deepest point on the earth is dash in the Pacific Ocean. The deepest point on the earth is dash in the Pacific Ocean. Yes, Santosh, Alice, Anurag, Mama, Tench, Alika, Anurag, Janvi, Ishan, Yatharth. Full name you write down, Ankit. Only Marina you have written. Bhavya, Ayushi, Adamya, not written anything. Okay, ma'am, she has written. Laksham. Yes, Ira, Shardul, Anushka Kale, Shravani, Shresh, Samriddhi, Gaukar, well. So the correct answer is Marina Trench. Okay, correct answer is Mariana Trench. So the next question is, the highest mountain peak on the earth is, the highest mountain peak on the earth is dash. The highest mountain peak on the earth is dash. Let's see. Ishan has given Mount Everest. Full answer you done. Only Everest you have written, Ayushi. एवरेस्ट कहां से होगा? माई एवरेस्ट कौन लिख रहा है? माउंट टी है बेटा अनुराग. संतोष नो, माउंट किलिमंजारो दैट इज डिफरेंट है ना. माउंट किलिमंजारो जो है वो हाईएस्ट नहीं है ना बेटा. ये तो माउंट एवरेस्ट जो है वो हाईएस्ट माउंटेन पीक द वर्ल्ड है ना. Okay, so the correct answer is Mount Everest. Okay, so now next question is one more question. Oh, time over. Okay, no problem. Tomorrow next chapter I will start. Next lesson means civics or otherwise history I will start. Okay, next tomorrow, because this lesson is also over, so here I am ending the session. Okay, and tomorrow history lesson I will start. Okay, so 2 lessons question answers left, so that now I will give you Monday. Most probably on Monday you will get your both the lessons question answers. Okay, so thank you everyone.